loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anastasia. I'm a licensed cosmetologist located in Charlotte, North Carolina. I do lash extensions. I have a beauty brand called Dolly Eye Beauty, and I sometimes make YouTube videos. Today's video, I'm actually going to do, if you're new, I'm always never prepared. If you're not new, then you would know that I never have everything that I need right beside me like I should. But I'm going to be doing a video using this new palette that I got yesterday. Look how pretty. It came in my BoxyCharm premium box. So I'm going to be doing a look with these. Don't know exactly what I'm going to do yet. We're going to figure it out as we go. So yeah, it's going to be fun. I'm going to do my whole base off camera because the look is going to be mainly focused on the eyes. My base is something that I do all the time anyways. And in a future video, I will do a updated what I do for my face video. That way you can see like my base and what I do now and all that kind of stuff, because I have changed it. But if you're interested to see how to do this upcoming look, then just keep on watching. Alright, we're back, and this is what I came up with. So I tried to keep it semi-simple. I know a lot of y'all might be like, that's not simple, but to me, I kind of, made it simple, but then just added a bunch of lashes to kind of give it that oomph. So I wanted to do one eye off camera to kind of save time, because my videos are long. And one time I did a poll asking people what, like, the length of, oh my god, my phone is so rude, anyways, I did a poll asking people basically how long of a YouTube video tutorial do they prefer, and a lot of people were telling me like 5 minutes. I don't know how the heck I can do a whole tutorial in 5 minutes, but I'm gonna try to cut it down from 40. So unless you guys like that. If you like the 40-minute videos, we'll keep doing that, but we'll see. So getting started here. Why does my camera show that it's dying? That's a whole problem. That's a whole problem. Technical difficulties as usual. Alright, so I am back. We're just going to jump straight in. So, using the Volume 3 palette, Norvina by ABH, I'm jumping in with my crease color. My crease color will be using this one here. For brush, I'm using the Colourpop E2 brush. And then I'm just going to take this shade. I'm just going to pop it right in my crease. I'm just going to do windshield wiper motions to blend it out. Kind of like so. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so we can see a little bit better. I'm just taking it, windshield wiper motions back and forth. Kind of like so. Just like that. I'm going to take the same brush and I'm actually going to dip it into this orange color right at the top. And I'm going to place it in the same area. So I got a little bit of color here. I'm just going to pop it. Windshield wiper motions back and forth, kind of just to build the color. This is kind of a sunset look, kind of not a sunset look. It's whatever you want it to be. Back and forth, just like this. See, kind of like so. How we're building up the orange color. And now, same brush, because I love to use the same brush. I'm just like that. I'm going to use this red color right here. And I'm going to dip into that. This I'm going to focus on the outer corner of my eye. And just pack the color on. Kind of like so. Packing it, I'm mainly focusing it on the outer corner. You can bring it in just a little bit just to blend it in to that orangey red. They kind of look similar in tone, but I promise you they're two different colors. Keep packing it to the color opacity that you want it to be. So, and then blend it just a tiny bit. Kind of like this. Kind of see the difference in the colors now. So now I'm actually going to switch brushes. I'm going to use, oh, there it is. I'm using a Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to dip into this orange now. And I'm going to use this just to add a little bit more orange up here. More like near my brow bone. So I'm just going to do windshield wiper motions once again. And it's kind of diffusing that line that we had here earlier. Take it all the way down because I want it to be more like a gradient effect kind of moment. Kind of like so. Blending it a little bit more down here. I'm doing more circular motions now. Back and forth, mixed with circular. Then I'm taking a regular brush, another M441. I didn't know I had two. And I'm just gonna blend out up here. Back and forth, just to kind of take off a little bit of the harsh line. I'm not too stressed out about it. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take a concealer. You can use an eyeshadow base, concealer, doesn't really matter, whichever you wanna do, because I'm going to cut the crease to kind of do this yellow moment. So I'm taking the Naked, Stay Naked concealer by Urban Decay. This is the concealer I use to cut my eyebrows, like that kind of thing. So now I'm gonna try to trust the camera to do this part. So I'm just gonna have to turn a little. And then blend. I feel like we need to bring back cut creases. I don't really see people doing cut creases anymore. It's not the nicest, it's not the cleanest, but it's okay because we're going to hide that. So now I'm going to take this yellow shade and I'm going to take a packing brush. Don't know what brand this is for this brush I'm using. I'm just going to pack the color in right where we cut the crease. So just keep packing the color on. Like I said, I'm not being very neat because we're going to hide it anyways. So kind of like so. So you see what I got going on here? So now I'm going to go back in with that other brush, the Colourpop brush with the red on it. Add a little bit more color. And I'm going to try to blend out these two right here. So you see how now they're starting to make like a tiny bit of orange because red and yellow makes orange. So I'm switching between both brushes just to kind of give it a more blended look. Now I'm going to take this Urban Decay Metal, Liquid Metal, Heavy Metal eyeliner in the shade Midnight Cowboy. And I'm going to draw a line right over where the cut crease is. So I'm going to take some and I'm just going to draw right over it. Kind of like so. I'm just going to keep going over that though because I want it to be a little bit more glittery. Sometimes you gotta do like several passes with this glitter. Kind of like that. Cute. We love how it looks. And now I'm going to do my eyeliner. I'm using the One Size Beauty Patrick Star eyeliner. And I'm just going to do my normal winged eyeliner here. Just doing what I normally do here. Winging it out. Like so. Now I got my winged eyeliner on. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. Kind of looks like this. It's like a little triangle. Gonna take it and just kind of like that, you know, put mascara on as normal. For eyelashes, I am using my brand, Dolly Eye Beauty, in the style Hey Queen. That is what I have going on right here. It is my ultimate favorite lash in history of lashes. It's the one I always use. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the glue to the eyelash band, and then we can go and do the bottom lash line while we wait for the glue to do its thing. So there's that. I'm gonna take the Nabla is the brand, the magic pencil. It's like a cream kind of waterline pencil. Line the waterline. I usually use white, but I actually started using this now. Then for underneath, I'm using the same brush we were using earlier with the red. I didn't add any more product just to see how much product is left on the brush. I see that it's actually not enough product. So I'm going to take the palette, dip a little bit into that red again, just so I can like really get underneath and really get the color that I'm looking for. Kind of like so. And then I'm going to take that M441 brush with the orange, the really bright orange.
I don't have an answer for that.
Oh man, it kills me when they answer when you're not talking to them. Now I'm taking the orange anyways. And I'm just going underneath that red we just did. Kind of like this. Kind of like so. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm going to take mascara, put it on my waterline. Well, not my waterline, but like my lower lash line. Just to like darken them up a bit. Kind of like this. I also put bottom lashes. I'm using the Ardell because Dolly Beauty doesn't have bottom lashes, but coming soon, I'll work on it. The Ardell Lash Trios. So I'm using these. I use 2 pieces underneath my waterline, or underneath my lash line, my lower lash line. I only need 2 little clusters that I use. I use the short length one, so like in these it comes with a short, medium, and long. I use the shorts. It looks like my regular lashes are ready, so easy way, look down, put on top. But for me, because I've been doing this for so long, I don't really have to go all that, like do all that, but I usually recommend that for those who are new to eyelashes. Blow it a little bit, look down, and place like that. And then you can readjust if you need to. Like so, 1, 2, 3. And then I like to adjust them just a little bit, like as in how I want them to sit when I look up. So I kind of want them to sit just like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to put glue. I didn't put glue on the clusters just yet because I feel like those will dry faster. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of glue on the clusters. And I do them one at a time versus like putting both glue on both and letting them dry. It's gonna move too fast, especially since they're so little. Like, you see that? See how little they are? So I suggest you do it one at a time, and when you're ready to do it, then apply the adhesive. So now I'm just gonna place it. I feel like these aren't as easy to apply because your mascara and your lower lashes are kind of in the way. Like that. They're definitely not as easy to apply like regular eyelashes would be, like you would put on the top. And now I'm gluing the other side, or the other piece. They're like just so tiny, like so tiny. I blow on it just a little bit. And then I'm gonna apply. Ooh, these are definitely not as easy. This one, or the second one, I like to apply where there's like a gap in between my lower lashes. So like when I have a little gappy gap kind of moment, I just put it there to kind of like fill that said gap. Kind of like so. I just kind of like the look that it's giving me. It's really serving like cutesy vibes, I guess. Okay, so that is what we're looking like so far. I'm really digging this. So then for lips, what I like to do is, again, me not being very prepared, I'm gonna use the MAC Chestnut lip pencil, and I'm gonna just overline my lips as usual. Kind of like so. Like that. Fill it in a little bit. Like that. Yeah. And then I'm going to take the Dolly Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade number 9, my most popular best-selling lipstick. Like that. See how it automatically gave me the appearance of larger lips when they're not that large naturally. But yeah, so far this is where we're going. I'm trying to decide if I want to apply a gloss. I just might, because I just got this new Pat McGrath lip gloss. It's not new to her, but it's new to me, and it's in the shade Blitz Gold, and I think it'll really like go well with what's going on up here. My lipstick is very quick drying. As you can see, it's already dry. Didn't mean to zoom all the way in. And I'm just gonna apply the gloss. Ooh. It gave what it was supposed to give. Look at that. And that is the final look. How we feeling? I'm living for it. Absolutely love how this looks. I'm just gonna do one of these. That way I have my thumbnail. Cute. Hopefully y'all were able to follow this tutorial. I'm gonna try to do some more looks with this. Let me know if you want me to do like more like a green look. Like I'll show you guys the palette again. Like there's like some greens in here. There's a bunch of potential of different things that we could do with it. There's like some shimmers in here. So let me know. I could probably do like a sea kind of look. Well, maybe not a sea. Like a mossy green, because like there's potential. I just went with like more of like a sunset because I do love sunsets kind of things. And it matches the cover of the palette. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, share with your friends, share in makeup groups, positive ones, of course. That would be amazing. Subscribing is free, helps my channel. Liking my channel or liking my video lets me know what kind of videos you guys like. Let me know in the comments below what kind of looks you want to see. If you want me to like do reviews on products, you know, all that kind of fun stuff, just let me know. And I'll work on it because I'm trying to get more consistent. So I know for sure I'll have at least 2 videos this week. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do 3. I might do 3 if I'm feeling spicy, but I know for sure I'll have 2. I'm not on a consistent schedule yet. We'll figure that out as we go. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your mornings, afternoons, nights, whenever I upload this.